Hello, today I am going to show you something special for those who have already bought an Insta360 but you haven't bought your selfie stick. So as you know, this is the Insta360. It's got a 360-degree camera. It's got two lenses, one on this side and one on this side. The specialty of this is, suppose you are holding it here from this point, the camera will automatically, using the electronics, stitch out this area and you will feel as if a third person is holding this camera and you can see yourself, but it will be as if somebody else holding it, or you have a drone. So I wanted something that is a little better than the usual Insta360 selfie stick, invisible selfie stick. So I went for this. Look at it. This is what it looks like. This is the Amazon Basics carbon fiber monopod. So what I am using it as is as a selfie stick, but actually if you want to search for it, it comes around to 4,000 rupees in Amazon Basics, and this is actually a monopod. The way it is used, you have to hold it like this. You put your camera here so you can hold it steady, and this is the screw for fixing the camera. On this side you have got a rubber bush. So how do I fix this onto this? So you have a look here. This is the area, and you can just unscrew this, and you have got a hole on which you can thread this, right? So there is no way to attach this. But if you look at this side, that is the handle side, what I am going to do is I am going to unscrew this, right? And I get this on the side. So what I am going to do is I am going to take this, put it on this side and screw it in. Now if you want this to be really tight, what you have got to do is you take the back cover of this. It has got a hex recess, and using that you can really tighten it to a very good tightness, and so this is it. And now you fix it like so. And here you have got this for the lever arm. Give it a little bit of tightening there, and now your selfie stick is ready. So using this, you don't have to buy anything else, and you can see now that I have got my own carbon fiber selfie stick. So this thing is very light. It weighs only 450 grams, that is less than half a kilogram. And let me show you the rest about how it works. It has got a lock here. That is the main advantage between this and the Insta360 selfie stick. You can use it as a monopod. You can take it out to different lengths. So this is almost about 1 meter to 1.2 meters, and this is the usual length of the Insta360 selfie stick. Right? Now I am going to show you the full capacity. My audio may not be good, so I'd like to ask you to step a little back and I'll show you the full thing. So this is the full length now. You can see it is much longer than the usual Insta360 selfie stick. It is very long, and if you want to add a monopod here, you have the old screw. You can either put this in there, or if you want to stick it into the ground, they have got a small spike here. So this is the small spike, and you can stick it on here. Just screw it in and you have got the spike. So if you have already got the Insta360 and you haven't got a selfie stick, I suggest you go for this. This is the Amazon Basics monopod, and you can use it as the 360-degree selfie stick. Of course, it's much lighter than what you would have if you are using an aluminium rod or an aluminium selfie stick. It's quite long, it's quite sturdy, and as you can see, it doesn't bend. And that's one thing that is very important when you are using an invisible selfie stick for your 360. So once again, this is the Amazon Basics monopod, which you can simply use as a selfie stick for your Insta360. And now let's go to the video.